Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make ginger and onion juice for hair growth. Onion contains sulfur, which is a mineral that helps in hair growth. Onion is also rich in substance that fights bacteria and keep the hair free of infection to improve growth, while ginger contains magnesium, potassium, and other vitamins that are beneficial to the hair. This nutrient provides your hair follicles with nourishment by making them strong and preventing hair loss. So guys, if you want to see how this ginger and onion mixture, watch this video to the end. So we've come to the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful to you, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Please, if you're here to subscribe to my channel, click on the red icon below. If you like this video, give it thumbs up. Thank you.